Hey everybody, good evening to you folks out there learning English. Okay, and for today's lesson we're going to go through the proper use of the prepositions in and at and how to use them properly. So an example that I'm going to use here that is correct in both cases is to say, I am in the movie theater. That's equivalent to I am at the movie theater. So both are correct. If you were to say I am in the movie theater or I am at the movie theater, somebody will ask you the question, where are you right now? I am at the movie theater. Or I am in the movie theater. I am in the movie theater or I am at the movie theater. Now the distinction is, or the difference is when you say I am in the movie theater, that actually translates to mean I am inside the movie theater. I am in the movie theater means I am inside the movie theater. When you say I am at the movie theater, that actually translates to be one of two things. That means I can be inside the movie theater or I can be outside the movie theater. So you see the distinction there. The subtle difference is very, very important. If I ask you, where are you at this moment? We're on the telephone, we're having a conversation. Where are you at the moment? I am in the movie theater or I am at the movie theater. Again, I am in the movie theater means I am inside the movie theater. If you say I am at the movie theater, that means I am either inside the movie theater or I am outside the movie theater. So let me give you some more examples here. Okay, so another example is if I ask you, where are you at this moment? I am in the house. Equals, or is equivalent to I am at the house. So if you say I am at the house or I am in the house, means the same thing, but there's a very, very subtle difference again. I am in the house means I am inside the house. I am in the house. I am inside. I am inside the construction of the house. I am inside the structure, not the construction, in the structure of the house. But if you say I am at the house means I am inside the house, or I could actually be standing outside the house. I am at the house. Well, that's very, it's not very clear. Now, does that mean are you inside the house or are you waiting outside the house? Now, there's one exception that I can think of here that I'd like to bring to your attention. If I say something and I ask you the question, where are you right now? And you say, I am at home. I am at home is grammatically correct. You would never say I am in home. That actually does not make any sense whatsoever. No one would say that. Again, I am in home makes no sense and is never used. So if you're going to say I am at home, that is correct. I am at the car, that is correct. I am in the car. So I am at the car. Somebody would not know if you were inside the car or you were outside the car. I am at the car. I'm either inside the car or I'm outside the car. But if you say I am in the car, it's obviously clear you are inside the car. Okay, folks. So I hope you found this little mini lesson to be clear, and I hope that it helps your English out and helps you with the mastery of the language. If you like what you see here, please like, comment, or subscribe down below. We'll have more lessons for you in the near future. Again, thank you very much and have a good night.